Irregular verbs. List number 1.
Bare infinitive or simple form compared with the past form.
Do.
Did.
Be.
Was. Were.
Come.
Came.
Go.
Went.
Fly.
Flew.
Fight.
Fought.
Fall.
Fell.
Bend.
Bent.
Know.
Knew.
Catch.
Caught.
New words and expressions.
To fly.
They flew over the jungle yesterday.
To catch.
The player in black caught the ball.
To fight.
They are fighting.
To burn.
Their house is burning.
To bleed.
He cut his finger, and it bled.
To bend.
They bent down to pick the trashes.
To know.
He didn't know the answer.
To drive.
She drove all night and now she is tired.
To fall down.
He fell down on the floor yesterday.
To come back.
She came back home this morning.
To do exercise.
She is doing exercise with her mother.
Floor.
He cleaned the floor yesterday.
Wet.
The cat was wet.
Why?
They are asking her why she is sad.
See.
The sea view was very beautiful. Rule 1. Use did as an auxiliary verb at the beginning of the question form of the simple past sentences. Pay attention to how to form short answers. Use the simple form of the verb in questions.
Subject pronouns with the simple past form of the verb go, comparing with question forms and short answers.
I went. You went. He went. She went. It went. We went. You went. They went.
Question forms and answers. Did you go? Did I go?
Yes, you did. Yes, I did. No, you didn't. No, I didn't.
Did you go?
Yes, I did. No, I didn't.
Did he go?
Yes, he did. No, he didn't.
Did she go?
Yes, she did. No, she didn't.
Did it go?
Yes, it did. No, it didn't.
Did we go? Did you go?
Yes, we did. Yes, you did. No, we didn't. No, you didn't.
Did you go?
Yes, we did. No, we didn't.
Did they go?
Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Rule 2. Use the past form of the verb in long answers. For example, did he go to the gym yesterday? Yes, he did. He went to the gym. No, he didn't. He stayed home. Examples of the simple past tense question form, short answers and long ones. Use why at the beginning of questions to ask about the reason for something.
Did he bend down to pick the trash?
Yes, he did. He bent down to pick the trash.
Why did he fall down last week?
The floor was wet and he fell down.
Why did his hand bleed yesterday?
He cut his hand and it bled.
Did they fly over the sea?
No, they didn't. They flew over the forest.
Why did their house burn?
Nobody knows why it burned.
Did the player in white catch the ball?
No, he didn't. The player in black caught it.
Did she drive yesterday?
Yes, she did. She drove all day.
Did she come back home last night?
No, she didn't. She came back this morning.
Did she do the exercise last Monday?
Yes, she did. She did it with her mother.
Did they fight last night?
Yes, they did. They fought in the stadium.